Hi guys. So, have you ever heard about green wellness shot? Have you ever heard about that? So, I've personally heard that it can help in reducing antioxidants. It also has some anti-aging benefits, and also it's also good for weight loss. And by the way, guys, for everything that we've used for this recipe, we've not added in any color, and plus we've used vegetables and fruits. So, if you love such content, then watch till the end and find out what did we add in our green wellness shot. Okay, so come and let's go to America together. Let's go. Buckle up and let's go. Have some green leafy spinach, cucumber, orange, apple, lemon, orange. So next I'm going to peel. Oh my gosh, I'll be peeling my orange. I prefer not putting the peels because of the bitter taste. Okay, that is just my assumption, but yeah, bitter plus also color. Yeah, come to think of it, also even because of color, because you know these peels are very rich in the orange color, and we want this juice to be green. It can only make sense if it's green in color, right? Okay, yeah, so we've gotten the peels out, and then we cut this. Okay, maybe you guys comment down below and tell me, are you guys usually very consistent with making these juices, or is it something that people just do it for the cameras? Because personally I'm not consistent with these juices. I'm never this patient, so I can't even say whether they work or not. Next we have our cucumber, so I'm just going to just chop it up the normal way, nothing fancy, and I'm going to use the whole of it. Maybe I see another creator saying, look, if you want to plant cucumbers, you can just use cucumber seeds from, you see, such seeds. Yeah, you can always use them. So I'm going to put this aside. For the spinach, very good. You see there, my spinach are fresh. They're from my kitchen garden. I'm just roughly chopping them up. Okay. Right. Don't want to overdo. One is perfect. And then my apple is going bad, so I'll just cut the bad part. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. At least it's not bad, all of it. Then we cut it up. These are the small good parts. So I see people saying that you put the green apple because of the taste, but is it really taste? So that is just everything: the apples, spinach, cucumbers, and oranges. So let's get the final part. Next we have our blend over there. Then our oranges. Perfect. Then our leafy vegetables. It's going to be my first time taking raw spinach. I've never taken them. Then since this is not a juicer, adding some water. I think that's enough. Let me just close it up. Maybe we had this. I'd already forgotten about it. So I'm just going to add half of this lemon. I'm just hoping that it won't be too bitter. Then we are saving so that we can have a juice, not a smoothie. Oh my gosh. It's too heavy. It's too thick. The way I thought I'd put a lot of water. Look at that. Some green juice. So how am I going to navigate this? A cheesecloth would have been better. Because I feel like I'm not squeezing out everything. But at least we have the juice though. So guys, here we have our cup and our green wellness juice, okay? So, or is it short? Yeah, green wellness short. Look at that. Okay, I don't want to put a lot first because it's my first time, guys, having this. So let's have a taste. Okay, it's tasting like beetroot. Yeah, but it's not bad. It's something that that I can consider making again and again. So would you try and make this at home? So comment down below and let me know on the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. God bless you and see you on the next travel. Bye.